you see I'm behind Mr. Francis today. Mr. Francis is going to be in the kitchen today. What are you going to cook?
Fried rice. Vegetable fried rice.
What kind of vegetable fried rice? You know I cook no vegetable fried rice, please.
Oh.
So you cook sausage fried rice.
Sausage fried rice.
People here are going to talk about vegetable fried rice. I am going to do vegetable fried rice, but not today. He's going to do sausage fried rice. Francis way. His way.
Oh my.
Alric way.
Alright.
Anyway, people, welcome back to the Francis. Thank you for tuning in today. And Mr. Francis is going to do all the work today. I'm just going to answer back and he's going to cook. Stay tuned.
I have here onion, scallion, tomato, garlic, green sweet pepper, mixed sweet pepper, little hot pepper. We're going to go into the frying pan now. I'm going to put the ingredients in the pot to start the fried rice.
I'm going to be the camera person today.
In the pot, you just grease the pot with just a little oil. You don't put any oil. Just grease the pot to also how fry the seasoning.
What kind of oil are you using?
Virgin olive oil. And there now I'm going to put an egg.
Smell good.
And then I put in the sausage.
So you don't make your egg fry out too much.
No.
You put in the sausage for okay. Look good. People, you saw Mr. Francis a move fast today. Normally he's very slow, but he's moving fast today. I wonder why.
It's special. It's special.
It's special.
Yes. People, this is old rice from the fridge. We don't throw it away. I come home and I want to do something quick. I'm going to fry it, finish frying it now. You see? No grease. Wow, it's looking good. Some people not going to eat none. The more the merrier.
People are me mature words on, you know. Because I don't eat sausage, so it's throwing words on me.
Oh, yeah, where I be there? Abby?
Oh my God, he knows I don't eat sausage. That's why he's behaving like that.
So like this now, we put a little, we're going to season it up now. A little browning.
A browning you use? Me thinking I use soya sauce.
No, browning. Can give you a story. One time a girl leave country, get a work at town. The man asked him if she can cook fried rice. She said yes. When the man come home with the fried rice, dry fried rice, raw rice.
Rye rice, because she fry it.
No, she don't know nothing about fried rice. Country she come from, walk up and down the road. Them mother do everything for them, spoil very try.
Well, you can talk some fast.
Yeah. Ask my brother. You think I like him? Come Maggie.
Okay.
And a little Old Bay. Not much, just a little. Turn on the fire a little. Yeah. and don't make it set. I could say this is over now. Here we go. It is ready. You want to taste it?
Move, I know me now taste it.
Wow. You're missing something, girlie.
People, you say my bother me. He knows I'm not gonna taste it, boy. If you want to taste it. Good. But that quick and easy, babes.
Yeah, I'm gonna have it with curry goat.
You still have curry goat gravy left?
Yeah. I'll just put a little curry goat gravy on the plate.
Okay.
So, turn my fire off. Catch me when I'm gonna have my meal. I'm gonna eat with my wife. I'm gonna share. You always see me and I eating together.
You not eat today.
We're gonna eat together.
We not eat today. You try to know that. This is one day both of us not gonna eat, because I'm not eating no sausage. So make him stay. Them on him own today. He's on his own today.
And this is the final dish, people. And sit there. We're gonna have some now. I love to feed my wife first.
Move. People here, boy, love feeding wife.
With a little curry, goat, gravy. Right.
People, I don't know, I've never liked sausage. Never, ever, ever.
You're missing something.
Me not miss nothing.
Take out this one.
Move. I'm not missing anything. So it is.
Right. Which I'm explain. Bad. Wicked.
So people say Mr. Francis, he has done his thing, came home, wanted to do something quick. Because you know we always do the quick meal when we come from work, you know, because we come from work, you come in tired, you can't stay in the kitchen too long. And this was like under 5 minutes, or about 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Yeah. And then he had some curry gravy left, some mutton. I had cooked some curry goat. So he's eating it with some tomato and some cucumber. So people, that is it. Sausage fried rice. I'm going to do my fried rice, but not in this video. Maybe next video, maybe not. It depends on the feeling. But that is Mr. Francis' take on sausage fried rice. He used to do this a lot in Jamaica. And he's still doing it. Hey, Francis?
Yeah, want somebody miss this now.
Abby.
Yeah.
Abby love the sausage fried rice.
Yeah, she miss this now.
But anyway, people, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewers, all the people that are watching the video and are not subscribing. Subscribe, man, subscribe. We are getting there. Getting there.
Wait now you to take us there.
Yeah. We're almost there to our 4,000 watch hour. We're like 100 hour away. Yeah. But anyway, people, we appreciate what you're doing for us. And as usual, you're going to see the video coming. Maybe not as often, because sometimes when the work take you over, you know, sometimes you come in tired, you can't do much video. But we will give you something to watch. But that's it for today. Look how Mr. Francis clean out his plate.
It's finished. Man, you eat some when we go in the bathroom and come back.
But people, as we say, eat good food, make belly bust. No, that's why Mr. Francis belly a bust. No. I know a lot of people might be saying Mr. Francis is putting on weight, but we can't tell you why. But it's not the food. It's not the food, people.
Work. Too much work.
And it's not the work either. You know that's not the work. But it's not everything you can tell on social media. But people, he's okay though. But it's not the food why his belly is bursting. But as usual, people, thank you for watching. Until the next video, we are out. See you next time.